So hello students, we start a new topic in our class 6 that is called mensuration. Mensuration means measurement. We measure different things like what is this particular exercise, this is the length of the edge, okay, is called perimeter. So suppose I have a book, okay, I've got concise maths, okay, so here you will see this length of the edge is called the perimeter, and when you include the interior, it is called area. So area today I'll not do, one or two video lesson I'll make on your perimeter. So perimeter, as you see, is the length of the boundary. Length, I'll tell you where it has practical application. Next thing, since perimeter, this is see, generally in maths children get confused. So when there are two dots up and one dot down, it's called since or because, and when there is one dot up and two dot down, it is called therefore. Okay, so this you remember, and this sign is called implies. Okay, I've used in simple equation, implies sign. Since or therefore, two dot up, one dot up, two down, therefore implies sign. So since perimeter is the length, so see here, suppose one very simple example I'll give you. Let's take the rectangle like this book. Suppose this is, from my common sense, 30 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, all the corners are right angle, children. This is 30 centimeter, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So the length of the boundary means you can take a thread, children, or a wire, put it all around, thread over here, then you open it. So when you open it, suppose the wire or thread goes like this, I open it. So how long it will be? So you will see when you open it, you will get 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 means, we have a formula later on, 2 length plus breadth. If you see, perimeter P means perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So I'll teach you something which is in class 6 and little bit more. And you may ask, sir, what is 2 dimension? 2 dimension means it has length is 1 dimension, breadth is 1 dimension, but when you see the volume, how much space it takes. Okay, I have this bottle, how much volume, space occupied, 3 dimensional. So when you have 3D thing, this is the rectangle, this is not the full book, only the front face of the book is a rectangle, otherwise book is a cuboid, length, breadth and height. You will see, sir, how to draw, I'll show you. How to draw, I will show you a real book. Here I am just showing the two faces. Here we do like this. This is the real 3D figure. This is a cuboid. This is 3-dimensional, 3D. Length, breadth, height. Okay, that I have made lot of videos. In class 10 we have 3D. Up to class 9 you have 2D. Circle will come. I think I have made one video in class 9, 10 I have made a number of video on 3D figure, cone, sphere and cylinder. So we are starting with 2-dimensional, length and breadth. So this is a rectangle, this is a cuboid. So the real thing of a book is a cuboid. Duster is, if you leave out the side, if you take it straight, it will be a cuboid. Okay, so books only front face I am telling you is called the perimeter. So perimeter unit is same as the length. See, length is 30 centimeters. So what is perimeter? So I was talking about, so this is cuboid, remember 3D, which you will see in class 9. Cuboid you will see in class 9. Cube is like a dice, Ludo you play. Length, breadth, height equal. Okay. And when it's not equal like a book, it's called a cuboid. You will have in class 9 circle. Then class 10 we have sphere, cone and cylinder, which is 3D. This is 2D dimensional. 3D picture, you will see it has depth. Okay, you can see the depth in some mobile IC, some TV comes, you can see in that television, the picture in mobile, the depth is there, something is coming out. So some 3D movies are there. Okay, so perimeter for this particular rectangle you may or may not use in class 6, but I am telling you it is twice length plus twice breadth. You see, this is length, twice it comes, and breadth comes twice. Okay, so it is actually 2 length plus 2 breadth. So what is the perimeter? If you open the wire, you will have 230 centimeter. Okay, 2 length is 30 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeters. So what we will get, children, is, and what will be unit, this is I am trying to highlight. Perimeter has same unit as that of length. Area has square unit, we will see. Meter square, centimeter square, or square meter, square centimeter. So this is in centimeter, this will be in centimeter. See with common sense, 30, 30, 60. Okay, 2 length. And 20, 20, 40. So if you add, we get 100 centimeter. And if you use the formula directly, 2 length, we take common. Here we have opened the bracket, 30 plus 20. Twice 30 plus 20. So we add them, 20 plus 30 is 50 centimeter. Same, it's a length. Perimeter is the length of the boundary or the edge. So we get 100 centimeter. So I think this formula you have in this exercise. I think it may not be in 17.1, 17.2. 17.1 we have just basic introduction. So we have the formula, this what I have taught you in 17.2. So please kindly pause the video, then I'll talk about perimeter more with related to square, triangle and all. So now we move on to some more 2D figures. Next is a square. Square is a figure from junior class you are doing. All sides equal, children, and all angles 90 degree. Let the side of the square be A. So if you take perimeter, I am not talking about area. Area will come up when I do area after 1 or 2 videos. It's about perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is 4 times A. A, you add 4 times, or you can say 4 into the length of one side. Same way, children, equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, all angles are 60 degree. So here if you see, if the side is again A you can take. Okay, so here perimeter P stands for 3 times A. A, 3A. Square has 4 sides, 4A. So like that we have, children. So first one was rectangle, which I have explained to you in detail. Square, equilateral triangle. Equi means equal, lateral means side. So, and triangle means 3-sided figure. So equal side, sided figure which has 3 sides. Next, number 4 is what we call regular word. It's very important. There is one very nice chapter in class 9 called Polygons. Regular polygons. So regular pentagon. Pentagon is a 5-sided figure. Okay. If you see US Defense Headquarters, it is in shape of a pentagon. On 9/11, one aeroplane crashed. 2 aeroplanes crashed on World Trade Center and one on Pentagon. So one video I was watching in National Geographic, how they had put some glass, bulletproof glass, a very good glass, so the damage was very less. So this is a Pentagon, one building. You go to YouTube or Chrome, you put Pentagon in USA, it is their defense headquarters in USA. The shape is like a pentagon. So regular means all angle equal and all sides equal. This may look little smaller. So all angles are 108 degree. Class 9 you will see how and why. So all angles equal, all sides equal. So let the side be x. So perimeter of a pentagon will be 6x. Same way we have hexagon. Regular word is very important, children. If it's not regular, side will not be equal. Side will not be equal means this formula you cannot use. Pentagon, this will be 5, sorry, 5x, 5 times each side, which is x. So this is, we are talking about perimeter. Okay, some other calculation is there in class 9. One of my favorite chapter, I'll tell you. This I enjoyed as a student. Okay, so next is hexagon. Hexagon means 6. Hex means 6. Pent means 5. Quadra means tetra. Quadra means 4. See some this Greek, what you can say, prefixes which comes. Mono means 1. Bicycle, 2 wheels. Bi means 2. Di means also 2. Tri means 3. Tetra, quadra means 4. Penta 5. Hexa 6. Hepta 7. Octa 8. Nona 9. Deca 10. And like that. So we use them. Gon means side. Pentagon, 5-sided. Regular, all angle equal, all sides equal. Hexagon, how we draw? So like this, we have 6-sided figure. Okay, so you have regular means you'll have all sides and all angles equal. So it's a little bit bigger I have taken. So if you draw, you will get a regular hexagon like this. So here it comes and here. So hexagon has 6 sides. Regular means all 6 angles equal. It's 120 degree each, you will see in class 9. So hexagon, if I want to find perimeter, let the side be y. So there are 6 sides, children. Hexa means 6. So it is 6y. Okay, like that you can get for heptagon and octagon and nonagon. So once more, we have seen perimeter of a rectangle, twice length plus breadth, square 4 times the length or the side or the edges, triangle, equilateral triangle, all sides equal, so it is thrice the length of one side. Regular pentagon, 5 the length of one side, 5 times, and hexagon is 6 times. Now somebody, before I go to the next part of the video, somebody was asking me generally, sir, what is the use of doing maths? So I always tell, and maybe in before whatever video I made, you will see it's 2 branches of maths has huge application in our everyday life. One is mensuration, so do it nicely, and second is what we call commercial arithmetic. Okay, percentage, profit and loss, speed, distance, time, all those we see they are very important, and mensuration for measurement. So class 9 I was teaching them 2D area, I'll teach you area. They were saying, sir, tell us something which is very important in our life. I said, when you buy a flat, people buy a house. So 3 things, I've sent them lot of things from the net also. So when we buy a house and all, there are 3 concepts there. Carpet area means if you put a carpet area of the house. Built up area, super built up, they add something more. So you must know before buying, otherwise you may have to pay more. So you have to be very careful when you buy a house. So how we get that concept? By area, carpet area, super build area. Then there is something RERA and HERA, they tell government agency that take money from carpet area. But when you go to a house, to buy a house, they talk about super build up area. So your house is this much, but they'll charge you for 1.5 times or 30% more. Okay, 25, 30, 35% more. So when you study this properly, you will understand when you buy a house. Arithmetic when you do, when you keep money in bank, what interest, how to save money, how to save money and how to invest money, that you will see. So these are very practical thing, and from class 6 onward take interest, and my lot of videos are there for various class. So when you get time, try to see and learn. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy, then we will go to the last part of this exercise. So we take one last question to clarify the concept which we have learned. So here question is find which is the which figure has the largest perimeter and the smallest perimeter. So we have to see A, B, C, D. 4 figures are given. Which has the largest perimeter and which has the smallest? So as I have done in the previous part, so let us find the perimeter of this. This is a rectangle, children. So perimeter is 2L plus B. You can do directly in the first exercise by adding. You can directly add or you can use formula. Length is 15, breadth is 10, so you'll get 2 into 25, 50 centimeter. Okay. So like that you can add, children, in this exercise. Next exercise we use formula. 15, 10, 25 plus 15, 40 plus 10, 50. So this is the perimeter of the first figure A. Second figure 12, you can write like this, 12 fours are. So if you use formula also, it is 4 times the side if it is A. Let one side be A. So we get 48 centimeter. So second figure is 12, 12, 12, 12. You can add or 12 fours are. 12 plus 12 is 24, 36, 48. So first one was 50, second figure perimeter is 48. The length of the boundary or edge, remember. So this triangle, if you see, 9 plus 12 plus 15. So we get 21 plus 15, 36 centimeter. This is perimeter for figure C. Okay, 15 plus 12, 27 plus 9, 36. Last one, number D. This looks like a trapezium. Okay, later on you will see what is trapezium. So perimeter here, children, is 4 plus 10 plus 5 plus 13. So if you add 14 plus 5, 19 plus 13, 32 centimeter. Okay, you can add. So now, which is the smallest? I think is 32, figure D. Okay. And which is the largest is your figure A, which is 50 centimeter. Perimeter of this is 50 and this is the smallest. Okay. This is 36, this is bigger than this. And so you see it is decreasing, 50, 48, 36, 32. So largest is this, figure A, and the smallest is number D, which looks like a trapezium, which we will see what it is in class 8 and 9. Okay. So kindly pause the video and copy, and please do the first exercise, and I have given you enough concept to see the solved example of exercise 17.2 also. So pause the video and copy, and thank you, children, for watching this video lesson.